Make sure the flat bench is directly in the center of the cable machine, and the cables, when you lie down, have to be lined up with the center of your chest. Go ahead and grab each handle. I want you to have a seat and lie down with your hands in close to your chest so we don't get any injury. Put your feet up on the bench. Beautiful. Now, they're in close. You're going to push them out straight up. Your wrists are nice and straight. Shoulders are tucked down. Come down now to a 180-degree angle. Elbow lines up with the shoulder. Blow out on the way up. Breathe in on the way down. Shoulders are down. She's coming down to a 180-degree angle. Breathing in on the way down. Blowing out on the way up. Look how her shoulders are tucked down. Her wrists are not moving back and forth. Her elbows are slightly bent. You can see that chest working. We're going to build a beautiful, nice, perky, strong chest. Good. We're done.